Hi there, I'm Jules from thisstonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our cheeseburger bowls, I've got two kind of medium zucchini and a punnet, it's about 250 grams. Cherry tomatoes, I've just sliced the zucchini kind of chunky and half the cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to pop them in roasting pan, drizzle of oil, bit of salt, and then it's going to go in 250C, which is 480F, I think. I'm just going to get that started, and then we'll get the meat in. So veggies have been roasting for 5 minutes in the super hot oven. So just going to give them a quick stir. Tomatoes are already starting to break down. That's a great thing, the tomatoes kind of cook down into a lovely sauce. So now we're going to get our meat in. So I've just got 500 grams, so a pound of minced beef, ground beef. Any meat will work here. And of course, you could always use chickpeas or you could use lentils. It's really up to you. So I'm just going to put kind of chunks rather than worry about rolling it into meatballs. Just want it to be rustic, but you also want to keep it kind of bite-sized chunks, and so that it'll cook fairly quickly. Okay, and then I'm just going to give it a good seasoning with some salt, and then back in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, so meat's been in now for 10 minutes and looking nice and brown, and the juices have come out, so they kind of mingle in to make a really nice sauce. It's not the prettiest looking, but you know, it'll get better when we add the cheese. So I've just got 100 grams, so about 3.5 ounces of grated, I'm using a cheddar, whatever melting cheese you like will be good here. Actually, it looks like a lot of cheese. Going to be cheesy burgers. Okay, and then I'm just going to get that back in the oven for another 5 minutes for the cheese to melt, and then we're good to serve. Okay, so everything's cooked and the cheese is well and truly melted. So we're going to just serve this mixture in bowls with some parsley leaves or some shredded lettuce and some mayo, or you could just serve it with whatever kind of burger accompaniments you really like, and dinner's ready. So if you enjoyed this, really encourage you to head on over to my blog. It's thisstonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with beautiful, fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipes just like this one.